Analysis of fourth group. For that, we take third group filtrate and pass H2S gas into it. If we get a precipitate, then fourth group is present. This precipitate can be that of ZNS, it is white, MNS, dirty pink, or NIS or COS, both are black. So collect the precipitate and dissolve the precipitate in dilute HCl and filter. The residue will consist of black precipitate. It can be NIS plus COS. And the filtrate solution will now consist of MnCl2 plus ZnCl2. Let us discuss the filtrate first. We take this filtrate, boil off H2S, then add bromine water and sodium hydroxide, and again filter, so that residue will consist of black particles of MnO2, and the filtrate will consist of Na2ZnO2 solution, that is sodium zincate solution. Divide this filtrate into two parts. In one part, pass H2S. A white precipitate of zinc sulfide is obtained that confirms presence of zinc ions. To the second part, add acetic acid and K4FeCN6. A white precipitate of Zn2FeCN6 is obtained. However, if we add K4FeCN6 in excess, then this white precipitate turns light blue, forming the compound Zn3K2FeCN6 2. Both these reactions again confirm presence of zinc ions. Let us now discuss the residue, the black residue of MnO2. Dissolve this in dilute HNO3 and add PbO2 and then heat. As a result of this, a purple colored solution is obtained. This is of permanganic acid, that is HMnO4. This confirms the presence of Mn2 plus in the original salt or the mixture. Let us now discuss the original residue, which may consist of NIS plus COS. Both are black. Collect this residue and dissolve in aquaresia and evaporate to dryness. On evaporation, we get a blue residue that will consist of COCl2 if cobalt is present, or it will be a yellow residue if nickel is present. It will be NiCl2. To the blue residue, if we add water, it turns pink, so we get a pink solution. To this pink solution, add ammonium thiocyanate, then a blue color solution is obtained, confirming the presence of cobalt CO2 plus in the original salt of the mixture. However, if our residue was yellow, then take it, add water, we get a green solution. Then add ammonium hydroxide in excess plus dimethylglyoxine reagent. If a red precipitate is obtained, that confirms the presence of Ni2 plus ions in the original salt or the mixture. Chemical reactions and explanations for group 4th. ZNS white and MNS light pink both are soluble in dilute HCl, forming ZnCl2 and MnCl2, from which Zn2 plus and Mn2 plus can be tested as. So first we will discuss reactions shown by zinc ions. The first reaction is Zn2 plus 2OH minus. Reversibly it gives ZnOH whole 2. That is a white gelatinous precipitate of zinc hydroxide. Remember, zinc hydroxide is amphoteric. ZnOH whole 2 plus 2NaOH in excess, we get Na2ZnOH whole 4. This is a soluble complex that on heating forms another soluble compound, that is Na2ZnO2, known as sodium zincate. Second type of reactions shown by zinc ions are 3Zn2 plus aqueous. This can be directly from the salt, or even aqueous solution of Na2ZnO2 may be taken. To that add potassium ferrocyanide, FeCN6 4 minus ions in presence of acetic acid. So we get Zn2 FeCN6, a white precipitate.